I miss Maria. I can still remember her voice.
You cry for years and you still can't remember her voice.
Never mind that. I will beat your ass.
Okay then.
Dude, I've been wondering who's the strongest between the both of us.
I know it's me. No debate.
Huh? Okay then. Show me what you got.
Testicular necrosis!
Mother of God! Can't feel my balls. Amy's not going to be very happy.
Oh, shit! Not Amy! Anything but her!
Why are you running? How are Bro's feet making fucking meme noises while he's flying?
Bruh.